Hi, I'm Julianne with the Greater Gainesville Chamber of Commerce, and today we are doing Business 101, but in particular, we are talking about obtaining your local business tax receipt. So hop on, it's gonna be an exciting ride. Obtaining a local business tax receipt, also known as a business license or occupational license, is a vital step to legally operate your business within a specific locality. Let's dive into the steps to obtain a local business tax receipt. Start by researching the specific requirements for obtaining a local business tax receipt in your city, county, or municipality. Reach out to the local government office or visit their official website for information on the application process, fees, and necessary documentation. Determine the appropriate business category for your venture. Local jurisdictions often have different categories based on the type of business activity, such as retail, service, or professional. Identify the category that aligns with your business operations. Obtain the official application form for a local business tax receipt from the local government office or download it from their website. Ensure you have the most up-to-date version of the form to stay in compliance. Carefully fill out the application form, providing accurate and detailed information about your business. This typically includes your business name, address, owner information, nature of the business, and other relevant details specified by the local government. Attention to detail is key. Gather the necessary documentation as outlined in the application form or the local government's guidelines. This may include proof of identity, proof of business ownership or lease agreement, zoning compliance certificate, certificates of insurance, and any other documents specified by the local government. Be diligent in gathering the required paperwork. Calculate and prepare the payment for the application fees associated with obtaining a local business tax receipt. Fees can vary depending on the jurisdiction and the nature of your business. Ensure you have the necessary funds available for payment to avoid delays. Submit the completed application form and the required documentation, along with the payment for the fees, to the appropriate local government office. This can often be done in person, by mail, or through an application online. Follow the prescribed method of submission. After submitting the application, it will go through a processing period. The local government may conduct inspections to review the submitted documentation to ensure compliance with zoning regulations and other relevant laws. Be patient during this stage and be prepared to address any inquiries or requirements. If your application is approved, you will receive your local business tax receipt. This document serves as proof that your business is registered and compliant with the local regulations. Display the tax receipt prominently at your place of business as required. Stay mindful of the expiration date of your local business tax receipt. Local business tax receipts typically have an expiration date. Stay informed about the renewal process and requirements to ensure you maintain a valid and up-to-date tax receipt for your business. Obtaining a local business tax receipt is an essential step in ensuring compliance with local regulations and establishing your business presence in the community. By following these steps, submitting the required documentation, and paying the necessary fees, you can successfully obtain a local business tax receipt and operate your business legally within your locality. It's a great way to demonstrate your commitment to following the rules and contributing to your community's thriving business environment. So not only are you following the rules, but now you're doing business in Greater Gainesville. It's not a tax receipt, it's a tax receipt.